great to start the new year, the 2026 racing season here at the Dubai Autodrome for round 3 of the Porsche Carrera Cup Middle East.
Basically just coming back to racing. It was a long break. Every moment is quite special. Every session, every lap. Really miss this feeling.
It's a tough track, such fast flowing corners. It offers a good combination, so it's really hard to master this track. When you do a really good job, it's super rewarding.
So many people here, the vibe was amazing. The grandstand was filled up. I just loved being a part of the event and I totally would come back for next year.
Looking forward to another great race today.